TikTok's algorithm may surface short clips to millions, yet nothing beats the raw selling power of a well-orchestrated. TikTok live watch time runs 5 to 20 times longer than a normal video. Comment prompts explode and the platform actively pushes live rooms to followers now banners. So today, in day 13 of our 30-day AI side hustle challenge, you'll build a 90-minute live funnel that pulls lurkers into the room, hooks them with hypnotic AI-designed demos, stacks urgency with expiring coupon codes, and even lets a GPT-based comment bot answer. Facts on the fly, ultimately tripling your conversion rate while skyrocketing algorithm favor, because TikTok loves creators who keep viewers glued. By the end of this 10-minute masterclass, you'll have a step-by-step run-of-show gear checklist, automated ChatGPT reply script, and a repurpose plan so the live feeds shorts, reels, and idea pins for weeks. First, craft your live promise on irresistible headline that answers, "Why should I watch now?" Open ChatGPT and prompt. Generate 10 hype live titles for a creator selling AI-made digital meal planners. Include benefit, urgency, emoji. Choose one like live. Watch me design a meal planner with AI in 5 minutes. Get it free for the next 90 minutes. Copy to your stream title and schedule 24 hours ahead using TikTok Live. Event so followers receive push notifications. Second, structure your 90-minute run-of-show in thirds. Hook phase magnetizes scrollers. A demo and story phase delivers value while repeatedly resetting hook for new viewers. Conversion and community phase stacks. Scarcity, testimonials, and Q&A. Build a Google Doc timeline. 0 o'clock to 0:30, open with shocking stat. Big promise, pin a comment link, and code at top profile. Use a free LED timer on your phone-facing camera that counts down. Free code expires in 22:59. Resetting every 20 minutes pattern interrupts spike retention. Third, setup gear. Phone on tripod, ring light at eye height. Second phone or iPad screen sharing mid-journey. Discord laptop running OBS with vertical canvas to screen mirror Canva edits. OBS virtual cam feeds to TikTok Live via Streamlabs mobile screen plus camera mode now. Viewers see your face and design in real time. Fourth, preload assets. In Midjourney, create 4 prompts for different niches and bookmark them. In Canva, open your 15-page planner template with placeholders. In Etsy, create 1-hour coupon LIVE 50, limited to 50 uses. Copy direct link. 1 AI meal plan sample capturing email addresses. Fifth, warm your audience 1 hour before show. Post a 7-second teaser short screen zoom of countdown timer. Overlay 52 minutes. Be there. Link in comments. Send mailer light blast. I'm going live designing planners in front of your reply. Remind me if you're recoming. Auto tag respondents. Livers Phoebe. Sixth, moments before go live start comment bot. In Streamlabs chatbot, set custom command. Link response. Grab 50% off code live50 here. Link door. Your store. Freebie response. Free sample download. Gumroad link. Integrate ChatGPT via open source plugins in Shatai script. When message contains price, editable, or license, ChatGPT references FAQ sheet from day 12 and posts 30 char reply with link. Seventh, hook phase execution. Hit go live. Wave, deliver stat, promise giveaway. Immediately launch Midjourney prompt. Imagine pastel veggie meal planner icon flat vector. V6. Q2. Talk as image renders. Viewers mesmerized by AI art forming. Chat explodes. Wow. Pin top comment link plus 50% code top of profile. Midway 5-minute mark. Reward early birds. Type veggie in chat. First 5 get template free. Use random comment picker. Chrome plugin showing wheel spin on screen. DM winners. Social proof fosters FOMO. Eighth, demo and story phase. Switch camera to Canva layout. Drag Midjourney PNG into template. Duplicate pages. Change headline with Canva AI text to color code by protein. As you build, narrate pain gives solution stories. I save 2 hours, week, every 15 minutes. Reset hook. If you've just joined, we're designing a planner live code live 50 top of profile. Good for 50 uses only. Use OBS scene switcher to flash timer close-up and confetti animation every 5 code redemptions. Inline upsell? Who wants the gluten-free version? Drop GF if chat hits 25 GFI release coupon GF40. Meanwhile, comment but answers questions, reducing your cognitive load. 9th, conversion and community phase. At 60-minute mark, reveal testimonial montages, scroll Etsy reviews, overlay with green checkmark sound. Then announce 10 codes left. Show Shopify Live View Sale fireworks to prove traction. Host lightning Q&A. Watchers ask, "Can I resell?" Bot auto answers. You highlight big cues manually. At 85 minutes drive, future retention. Tease day 14, topic ILB Live. Again. Friday, automating YouTube Shorts with ChatGPT, turn notifications on. Offer final bonus. Email subscribers now get exclusive Canva edit rights, drop email in chat. Chat trigger sends many hat link capturing addresses, auto tag live hot. End at 9020 with gratitude, call to share replay. 10th, repurpose. TikTok auto saves 90-minute video. Trim best 60 seconds where Midjourney image pops. Caption AI planner built in 5-minute full replay on channel. Post a short with link to replay playlist. In CapCut, 3 30-second highlight reels replying to top questions. Schedule for next 3 days. Each pushes viewers back to coupon link. 11th, analytics. After 24 hours, open TikTok Live Center. Note peak concurrent viewers. Total watch time. Follows clicks. Export CSV. Add to Notion dashboard. If AOV spiked versus normal day, repeat format every Wednesday. Test coupon scarcity. Decrease from 50 to 30 codes to boost urgency. 12th, community flywheel. Post community poll, did you grab the live bundle? Options, yes, thanks. Send next code. Waiting for vegan. Poll resurface replay and collects next product leads. 13th, back-end email automation. Tag buyers, live buyer, auto send thank you with replay link and share with friend equals gift code. 14th, optimize for algorithm. TikTok favors live rooms with high chat velocity. Instruct comment bot to ask every 3 minutes. Drop your city poll, planning weekly or monthly. Triggers engagement spikes, boosting ranking. 15th, long tail revenue. After coupon expires, raise bundle price by 10% to anchor value. Mention in day 14 email missed the live. Visualize numbers. Typical 1. 0 follower live may pull 100 concurrent viewers. With 10% code uptake at $12, AOV gives $120 in 90 minutes. Upsell 20% to gold tier at $28 adds $112. Total $232 plus 40 new email subs and replay continues selling. Multiply this weekly and your live funnel alone clears for figures monthly. Day 13 action checklist flash. 1. Schedule live event title. 2. Build 3-phase run of show doc. 3. Set coupon and comment bot. 4. Prep prompts plus template tabs. 5. Post teaser short. 6. Go live and watch conversion surge. Final CTA smash, like if you'll run a TikTok live this week, comment live funnel so I can follow your progress sub, because Day 14 will show you how to automate YouTube Shorts with a single bash script that churns 15 videos while you sleep. End screen playlist plus subscribe. This is Money Loop, turning live stream engagement into predictable cash, one real-time funnel at a time. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.